Really, Layla?
Okay, let's be happier about it, okay? Speak. Speak.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt. Bye, Winston. Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
Right.
Go and shut the door. Shut the door. Good boy. Shut it. Push. Shut the door. Good lad. Go vault. Yes.
Oh, shit. Look at him. Come on, come on. It's so sweet when he does that.
But you could get her pregnant. You understand that? You're not ready to be a daddy. Buddy, we can't handle that right now. I know you want to see her. I know that.
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No!
Oi! Papa! I need to...
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Ask him, you want to meet your son? This is your son. This is your son.